In the video today, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S23 so you can use it with any carrier. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide Wayne. Today I'll be going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, or S23 Ultra so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app. Make sure you're on the dialer and you're going to type in *#06 and finally pound. That's going to show us the IMEI of the phone. You'll need to write down this first IMEI right here. We're going to use that in the next step of the video. Now, after that, we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com. So go to Google Chrome and again type in theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. So let's swipe up to this section here and first select the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung. Now next, we're going to go to select the model. And so here we are. You can see there's S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra. So select the model that aligns with which phone you have. I'm going to select just the regular 5G model, the base model. Tap Unlock Phone. On the next screen, it will ask you to answer a few more questions about where you purchased the phone, so the country. So I'll select United States. Carrier is going to be AT&T. And then I'm going to swipe up, and this will give you the full breakdown of the phone. So to unlock this phone, it's going to be just $29, and the delivery time is about 7 days, 1 to 7 days. Now, what does that mean? So basically, once you check out and pay, they're going to send you an email that's going to walk you through the final unlocking steps. So the process to unlock varies based on the carrier, and the process changes from time to time, so that's why they don't post it on the website. You simply, again, you pay, and then they send you a follow-up email that'll have the final steps to unlock your phone. All right, so you would hit add to cart, check out, pay, and then that's going to be the average turnaround time, 1 to 7 days to get the unlocking steps. Now, a few other things I want to point out here, and one of the reasons why I like this website. So, the top of the screen here, you'll find a toll-free number you can call and a number you can text, along with an email and a WhatsApp number as well. So you have a few different options in terms of contacting the company. Obviously, if your delivery time is between 1 and 7 days, you just want to follow up, you can use one of those methods just to check in. And again, they will send you the final instructions to get your phone unlocked. Now, a few things you'll need once you get those unlocking instructions. You're going to need a SIM tool, which this comes in the box of your phone. If you throw it away, no problem. Just take a paper clip and bend it back, and you'll need to insert this into the side of the phone where the SIM card tray is. Take out the old SIM card and then make sure you have the new SIM card ready of the service you'd like to use the phone with. So for example, if I'm using it with AT&T right now and I want to use it with T-Mobile, I want to have a T-Mobile SIM card ready to pop in that phone. After you follow the unlocking steps, you usually will need to restart the phone, and after that, you should be good to go. So, hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.